Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of the Game of Points plugin, but today I'm not here to talk to you about Game of Points, but about membership site launches and how I do my launches. Launch times are crazy, stressful time for many people, but not for me. I do so many different launches every single year, so many different products, plugins, courses, that I have a whole bunch of shortcuts that help me save time, money, effort when I do my launches. Now, during a product launch, during a membership site launch, there are so many different things, there are so many different steps that need to happen in the right order, especially when you are working with limited resources, limited time. It's crucial to make sure that all of those steps are happening and that you are not duplicating any of your efforts. I launch several plugins, several courses every year, and pretty much every single time I end up in the same situation. What's the situation? I recently launched Game of Points plugin, and we had announced the launch date about a month before the launch. So 9/19 was the launch date, and we had announced it on August 22nd. The plugin itself was almost ready when we announced the launch date. It was a month before the launch, and we were just in the process of finishing up testing. So we had about 4 weeks to complete all the testing and prep for launch. You would think that that's plenty time to prepare a site for launch, right? Except in my case, somehow I always end up in a situation where it's the day before the launch and I have not even installed a membership plugin, let alone set things up. So in case of Game of Points, no exception. So my situation the day before the launch at 1 p.m. in the afternoon was this. My sales video was ready because I always work on sales video first. I like to get that out of the way. My sales page was about 80% done. I still had to complete the bonus section and update the buy buttons and all that. So sales page was about 80% done. And that's it. I had not done anything else on the site. I had not even installed a membership plugin. I planned on offering 4 different licenses of the plugin for launch. 1 site, unlimited site, lifetime, and done for you. And I had not created any of those products in my membership site, in my membership plugin. I had not installed my shopping cart plugin. I use Smart Pay Cart, which is my own shopping cart plugin for all my shopping cart needs, but I had not even installed that plugin. I had not created a checkout page. I had not customized a checkout page. I had not created my buy buttons for any of the products. And I like to do order bumps. I had not created my order bump offer. I had not created my upsell funnel. And the way I do my plugin launches, in most cases, my sales site and my plugin delivery site are always different. It's almost always different. So in this case, gameofpoints.com is my sales site. That's where I sell my plugin. And wickedcoolplugins.com is the site from where we deliver all our plugins, because all the licensing and all that lives on the Wicked Cool Plugin site. So I had to connect my sales site to my content delivery site. Now, the sales site is not just a sales site. Game of Points is actually a membership site in itself, because ultimately I'm going to offer courses and other things from this site. So this is going to be a membership site in itself. So again, I have a plugin called Dap2Dap, and that allows me to connect 2 different membership sites powered by Dap. So I had to use that to connect my sales site and my plugin delivery site. But that's not it. As part of this launch, my plan was to give away 9 bonuses, not 1, not 2, but 9 different bonuses. And many of those bonuses were from my courses site, from my membership site, lab site. So many of the bonuses were from that site, and some of the bonuses were from a different plugin site. So I had this whole thing going where I had the sales site, and I had to connect the sales site to 3 different membership sites to deliver the content. So I had not done any of that. The only thing I had going was this mind map. I knew exactly what I needed to do. I also knew the order in which I needed to do them. And I also have a whole bunch of tricks and shortcuts that I use for my launches. That saves me a ton of time. So now I have created this awesome mini course, a truly one-of-a-kind course, where what I'm going to show you is I'll take you behind the scenes so you can see me in action live. So you will see how I do my launches. So I recorded myself as I was doing things, so you can see me as I was setting things up and not after the fact. So you will see how I do things and what allows me to save so much time that I'm able to do all of these big membership site launches. And pretty much all my launches go really smoothly. I hardly have issues in terms of automation or account not getting created or logging or shopping cart not working or upsell button not working. I never have any of those issues. So in this course, I'm going to show you step by step how I do things. And actually what I have done is I have broken it down into lessons which are 5 to 6 minutes long. They are not too long. There are going to be about 10 lessons in this course, and it's not going to take you more than 5-6 minutes to watch each. But I promise you that by the end of this course, you are going to learn so many different tricks and techniques that it will definitely save you a ton of time, money, effort, resources in your membership site launch prep. All right. So go ahead, sign up below, and I hope to see you on the other side. Let's have some fun. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a Facebook group. You're welcome to join that group and ask questions. It's not for support, but if you have any generic questions about this course, feel free to ask or send me an email. I'll be happy to answer them for you. All right. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching, and go ahead, sign up below. I'll see you on the other side.